Lambda expressions are concise, anonymous functions using the arrow syntax. They are perfect for link operations, delegates, and event handling, making your code cleaner than the other options. For a single parameter, you just write the parameter name, then goes to, and the operation without using parentheses. For multiple parameters, you use parentheses. You separate the parameters with commas. The arrow points from the parameters to the expression or the statement block. The lambdas replace the verbose delegate syntax from the older C# versions. The old way you would have to write something like this, which was wordy and unclear. The lambda way you write simply this, expressing the same logic concisely. Lambda expressions can use variables from the surrounding method, which makes closures possible. You can access those variables inside the lambda, but be careful with the variables that change or with the async code.